Well, the wait is finally over. The monsoon has finally arrived. With me is BP Yadav, director at the IMD. Sir, the monsoon has finally arrived. What are the details, sir?
So, last 3 days, the winds were increasing. The winds were coming from south and not from north. That is the first condition of the monsoon. And the rainfall is also increasing. Today, 5 to 6, 7, 8 stations in Kerala has reported heavy to very heavy rainfall. 70 millimeter, 80 millimeter, 100 millimeter, 150 millimeter. And the clouds, if you see the clouds, there are a lot of clouds over the Arabian Sea. And then our criteria, our conditions, all the limits are totally, completely, you can say, met today. And therefore, IMD has declared the onset of monsoon over Kerala.
IMD had said that monsoon will hit Kerala and by extension the subcontinent on 7th, and it hit on 8th. So just a miss of 1 day, but that is a very small difference.
No, 1 day is not any, you can say, I will not call it even a variation. And if you see, we said it on 7th, the monsoon will hit on 7th June. And the model has an error of plus minus 4 days. So that was a long forecast, long season forecast issued around mid of the May. Yesterday, last 3-4 days, we were clearly indicating the monsoon is likely to hit either around 7th or 8th in our forecasts, which we issue on a medium range.
And so my last question, you have said that this time the monsoon will be above normal, 106% of the LPA long period average. So you are still sticking to your forecast that this time?
Yes. That forecast of above normal rainfall, good rainfall over most of the South India, Northwest India, Central India, we stand by that our forecast. And this year monsoon will be or most likely to be much better than what it has been over the last 2 years. This year the conditions, the global regional conditions are all indicating of a very good monsoon rainfall.
So monsoon has kept its dates with the subcontinent, and Wednesday, that's 8th of June, that's today, the monsoon has finally hit. And of course this is a news which will bring smiles to millions of people across the country. With camera person Fazil Siddhant Sibbal, DD News at the IMD headquarters in New Delhi.
Well, let's go back to Kerala. We are joined by our correspondent